In all the years I've been organising the duck race, Indiana has never come first. Oh, actually, silly me, how could I forget? In 1972, we nearly won.
Did you come second?
No, 18th. It was a proud moment.
Here's Billy Wynn. I bet he's taking the duck race seriously.
I can't wait for the race to start. It's all about getting first place and holding that trophy in your hand, which is why my duck's wearing racing goggles.
Actually, winning or losing a duck race is simply about luck.
Not for me. I've been training my duck all week. Keep your eyes on the finish line. Billy wins everything. Yes. Okay, you. Eyes on the finish line.
Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, Skipper McKipper.
Hello, everyone. I'm commentating today. Am I loud enough? Do you think everyone can hear me?
Yes.
Excellent. Ha-ha!
Oh, I wonder who owns this duck.
I love your duck, Lucy Help. But what's the stick for, Mama Help?
It's my job to free any ducks that get caught or stuck along the way. I use the stick for that.
Mama, help!
Yes, I'm here.
You're needed down by the stream. The duck race is about to begin.
All the ducks are now in position. Even Professor Bones' duck is ready for the race.
You can do it, Indiana.
Best of luck to everyone.
And go! And we're off. And my ghost duck moves quickly into the lead. It's the first time we've seen this particular duck in the championship, and she's already showing great potential. And bringing up the rear is Professor Bones' duck, Indiana.
There's still time to pick up the pace.
We thought Indiana was set for retirement last year, but no, this duck never gives up. Maya Go's duck still in first place. Oh, I see a very bright future for this new contender. And here's Billy Wynn's duck coming up on the inside. He's certainly a risk taker and one to watch.
Faster! Come on! You can do it! You can win this! Oh, no!
And Billy Wynn's duck slips through the gap and into the lead.
Ah, Mama Help to the rescue.
Thank you!
You're welcome.
But there's no holding back Maya Go's duck.
Oh, it looks like Maya's duck is catching up.
Go, go, go! We want that trophy!
Oh dear, Billy's duck has run ashore.
I'm on my way.
Mama Help does it again.
And it's a race to the finish line. One of these ducks will win, and, well, one of them won't. But someone is taking that trophy home today.
What's this up ahead?
A duck! We're heading straight for it.
Oh, they say anything can happen in a duck race, and they're right.
Right a bit. Left a bit.
Oh dear, the rubber ducks have lost their costumes.
Oh, nothing's going to keep these two brave competitors from that finish line. I've never seen such determination.
Oh, I can't bear to watch.
And we have a clear winner. Or do we? The ducks look exactly the same without their costumes.
What are we gonna do?
This has never happened in the everyday duck race before.
Yes, we've never had a draw before. It's an historic moment.
I think that was the best race ever.
Yes, that was the most exciting duck race I've ever seen.
Maya go every day. Maya go laugh and play. Maya go, what do we say? Maya go digging.